Guy Hans, Chief Investment Officer at Terra Firma, is facing some tough choices. We partner now with the FT to bring you Lex on Bloomberg. You get a sneak peek of the Financial Times' flagship column a day early. Luke Templeman joining us now live from London. So, Luke, just tell us, first of all, what's going on?
Well, EMI, one of the world's big four record labels and the force behind the Red Hot Chili Peppers and Robbie Williams, they exemplified the credit-fueled buyout boom when Guy Hans' firm Terra Firma bought them in 2007 for £4 billion. Now, Terra Firma are looking to inject another £100 million to make sure they don't breach bank covenants and just basically keep the machine breathing. Now, this is allowed under their agreement with Citigroup, but with already 90% of the equity written off, we're left wondering whether or not this is turning into a bit of a zombie company.
So what does this mean for the lender?
Well, for Citigroup, it highlights the ramifications of all those boom time buyout deals. Now, about 2 weeks after the deal closed, the credit markets started turning sour, and that meant Citi weren't able to syndicate the debt, and that's left them with about £2.5 billion on their balance sheet. Now, since then, the relationship with Terra Firma and Guy Hans has gone sour. Citi's tried to take control under a debt-for-equity swap. Both sides are not happy with each other, and the whole mess has descended into a legal battle, unfortunately.
All right, so what's next for EMI then?
Well, EMI are running out of options. They've explored asset sales in the past unsuccessfully. The prices weren't high enough for both of the parties, Citi and Terra Firma. And we're not sure how long this current $100 million injection will last. On the flip side, Guy Hans does have some very loyal investors. They approved the original investment, which was about a third of their funds. But in the end, we're wondering if he's throwing good money after bad and just whether he's testing his investors' patience a little too much.
All right, Luke, thanks very much. Luke Templeman joining us there from London from the FT.